More than 1 million people have been displaced from their homes in China's Hebei province following deadly storms earlier this week, according to state media. Officials have changed that it can take a month for the air tides in some areas. Rain from the remnants of Typhoon Doksuri hit the northern province of 75 million people and the nearby cities of Beijing and Tianjin last weekend, causing severe flooding that displaced residents, washed away bridges and highways, and caused at least 22 deaths. The storm produced the heaviest rainfall Beijing has experienced in 140 years, marking a major test of the place's ability to handle extreme weather events, which experts warn will become more frequent as a result of climate change. According to state media, residents who were evacuated have been transferred to emergency shelters in hotels and schools. Social media posts show people leaving donations at these shelters or setting up stalls to offer food, while a government district in Tianjin has asked residents to help house displaced relatives and neighbors.